This tutorial will go over how to set up your registration items. When you first arrive at the registration screen, you will see a template pop up that gives you a few rules. Let's go over a couple of them. First, you must create at least one registration type item, even if the price is $0, or else you will not be able to use the reporting and any other features, including opening up registration. If you intend to rent space, have a look at the panel highlighted. We have a drag and drop booth map for that. And otherwise, you can select a template. And if you don't want to use one of our templates, you can simply click cancel and get going. So that's what we're going to do right now. We will just proceed as if we were setting up our own classes. The first thing you'll see is the currency. Just set the currency to a setting that's appropriate for your event. And then let's look at the Create Item menu. You'll notice we have some default categories plus the custom categories that you've set up over time in your library. You'll see general copy. I did that to show you what it looks like when you use items from your own custom fee library. And you see them here, and we'll go ahead and delete them. You can create custom categories anytime. Now they're gone. And we'll have a look again, and you'll see they're out of the list. Now we have some general categories for you. Again, you can create custom ones whenever you want. We'll just pick general here. Now you'll see the fee appear in a panel, and it's got a number of options. And the first thing we'll do is change the title. You can type in anything you want here, but the item will remain a registration class item. If you do not see a save button, you can be assured that the information you typed in is saved automatically. So we'll save the title. And now I've skipped over a few screens to show you that I've copied this fee into session A, and then I'll make a session B so we can see how the grouping system works. I'll use the copy tool again to make a few more sessions, one for Tuesday, 2 sessions for Tuesday and 2 for Monday. And you can see that making or copying these items is very easy. And for each item, you'll be able to go in and customize it however you want. The point of making both of these is so that you can create groups and limit the items that people can register for within each group. So in this example, I'm going to want to have sessions A and B on Monday and sessions A and B on Tuesday. So I hit the groups button. I'll add a group here. We'll make it for the registration class and we'll call it Monday sessions. We're going to limit it to 1 item per group max, and we're going to display this first. We'll go back, create one for Tuesday, and we'll set this to display second in the list. Great. Now we have our groups. Now all we need to do is click into the individual registration items and assign them their appropriate groups. And the system will create new headers to tell you which items are in which groups. It makes quick work, and it ensures that registrants cannot select more than 1 registration item, or more than 1 session in this case, per group. In my example, I created a general registration category called main registration. You don't have to do this, but you'll notice that it finds itself at the bottom of the list under ungrouped registration items. So let's move it to the top by creating a group for it and ordering that group so it appears at the top. Now all we have to do is select that item, assign it to the new group we made, and it appears at the top of the list. This is the registration page that the attendee sees. Now we've skipped a couple of the initial sections, and let's look at the Monday session and the Tuesday session. If we select the attending on each one and then we try to check out, we can't. The warning tells us we've exceeded our limit on this area and to remove one. So that's simply how that works on the registration side.